We want the search to continue, and we are trying our best to keep MH370 alive in the minds of everybody here and in the minds of everyone who flies.
See the shadow of the aircraft on the hood?